In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a standing bicep curl with supination, or otherwise known as rotation. So firstly, what I want you to do is stand with your feet hip width apart. You've got your dumbbells in each hand, and the dumbbells with the palms are facing towards each other. So I've got the palms of my hands facing towards each other. I'm going to bring my shoulders back, and then once I'm in this position, bracing my core as I bring both up at the same time. Now, as I'm bringing them up, notice how the palms face each other when I'm in this position where I've got the weights down by my sides. As I bring the weights up, my palms are now facing up towards the ceiling. So I've got a little bit of rotation as I'm doing each repetition. I'm always returning back to the start position in a controlled fashion. So I'm not coming up and squeezing my bicep and then just letting the weights go down. At all times, I've got my shoulders back as I'm doing each repetition. You can, of course, do these one at a time. So you might decide to do one repetition and then the next. So alternating between each side, or alternatively, you can do them both at the same time and then bring them back down to your start position. That's how to do a standing bicep curl with rotation or supination.